Hey everyone, welcome to the Analytical Coding. In today's video, we are going to learn about drill mode in Power BI. So, what is this drill mode? We can explore in-depth details about our data by using the drill down, drill up, and expand features on our visual. So, let us consider we have a requirement from the customer that they need column charts for sales by region, sales by product category, and sales by product. So, let us create three column charts for this. So, add a column chart and into that region as the x axis and sum of sales as y axis. And let us take another column chart and add product category as x-axis, sum of sales as y-axis. And another one, wait. Can we create a single column chart for these three requirements? Yes, we don't need to create three separate charts for these. So we can show them layer by layer. So let us see how can we do that. We just need one column chart. Let us see how can we do that. So let me remove these two so that you can clearly understand. Now, so add these three columns into this x axis, that is region, product category, and also product. Now, in the y axis, add this sum of sales. Now, you can see that we are having four options. So, these are the options that allows us to drill into our visuals. So let us see one by one. Let us see the first one, that is double arrow drill down. It takes us to the next level in the hierarchy. So here we are in the region level where it shows sum of sales by region, and I want to see this sum of sales by product category. So for that I can click on this double arrow drill down, and here you can see that for each product category we can see the sum of sales. Now again I want to see the sales sum of sales by product. Again click on this where it takes us to the next level. So each step in the path shows the new information. So this is about the double arrow drill down. Now what if we want to go back to the region level? So for that we are having this option drill up. So which is useful to go up a level in the hierarchy. That is, it will not take us directly to the region. It takes us to the next level, that is product category. So first it takes to the product category, and then when I click it again it takes us to the region. So by selecting drill up we can go up a level in the hierarchy. That is about drill up. And so coming to the single arrow drill down, so we have seen that the double arrow drills down all the fields at once, that is either region, or it shows either product category, or it shows product. But what if we want to drill down for particular region? That is, I want to see the product categories for each region. So how can I do that? So for that we are having this single arrow drill down option, and when I turn it on, that is when I click it, and if I click on particular region, it takes us to the next level in the hierarchy for that particular data point we have selected. So if I click on east, it takes me to the product category where it shows the sum of sales for east region clothing. You can see that in the tooltip the region product category is east clothing, not the complete product category clothing. Again, it is East Electronics, East Region Furniture Sales, East Region Grocery Sales. So, this is the one of the use of drill down single arrow. That is, we can drill down one field at a time by selecting the visual element. Again, if I select that particular clothing, now you can see that the different products that are available under the clothing category. So here the region, product category, and product. So that is East region, clothing category, and the particular product. So we can see that particular sum of sales. So if we want to go back, we can click on the drill up option. So this is what drill down single arrow. It is useful to drill down one field at a time by selecting the visual element, that is data point. Now the other option that is left is expand option. So the expand option adds another hierarchy level to the current view. Here we can only see the region, and using drill down single arrow I can see the product categories for a particular region, and if I use double arrow I can see all the product categories. But what if I want to see the region along with product category? Then here comes the role of expand option. When I click on that, you can see that for each region, all the product categories, not product categories. So every region and every product category. And again, if I click on expand, you can see that for every region, every product category, all the products that are available. So this is the use of expand field. So each step in the path shows the previous information and adds on one level of new information. So this is about all the four options in the drill mode of a visual. But in order to use the drill mode, Power BI visual must have implicit or explicit hierarchies. So what is meant by implicit or explicit hierarchy? If we want to create hierarchies separately in the data pane, so here beside region, if I click on more options, I am having an option to create hierarchy. And when I click on that, so a region hierarchy will be separately created in the product sales table of the data pane. So here we can see that, and it is represented by an icon which is called hierarchy. And if I add product category into that hierarchy, again more options, add to hierarchy and select region. So in the similar way, we can also add the product into that particular hierarchy. So add to region hierarchy. Now you can see that in this particular region hierarchy, we are having these three fields. So it is created separately in the data pane, and this is called explicit hierarchy. But in this visual, we haven't created any hierarchy separately, but we just added all these three fields into the x-axis. So when we add the same fields separately and directly into the visual, then by default, Power BI consider them as hierarchy, and which is called implicit hierarchy. So which is considered by Power BI. So in order to use the drill mode, Power BI visual must have implicit or explicit hierarchy. So what if we do not have that hierarchies? So let me add another column chart, and let us add region in x-axis and sum of sales in y-axis. And here we cannot see any drilling options here in this visual. But whereas in this visual, you can see that we are having these options. Why? Because here we are having the hierarchy, whereas here we have used the fields but not any hierarchies. So in order to use the drill mode, Power BI visual must have implicit or explicit hierarchies. So this is about the drill mode in Power BI. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.